Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Doctor Who will return to our screens on New Year's Day, that's tomorrow. The Time Lord will ring in 2020 with a special two-part episode called Spyfall. Jodie Whittaker will be back as the 13th Doctor alongside all her friends.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
According to Hill, Phoebe Waller-Bridge is second best to replace Jodie at 3-1, and Coral is also offering odds Homeland actor David Harewood and Friday Night Dinner's Tom Rosenthal as potential successors.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Richard Ayoade. Doctor Who fans have voted Richard Ayoade as their first pick to take over from Jodie Whittaker, according to a new poll. On Monday, the 4th of December, reports emerged claiming that Whittaker, who plays the first female Doctor, is planning to quit Doctor Who after the conclusion of its forthcoming 13th series. 3 days ago.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.